Where's the reception again?
Oh, where's the honeymoon
going to be? And where are you registered? That's so important these
How much
days.
is the cost of the invitations?
I don't know.
Oh, the other thing is...
It's your mom.
What about the ring?
Hi, Mom.
How much did the ring cost?
I'm kind of busy.
Oh, tell your mom hello. She's such a sweetheart.
Kind of busy with the seamstress right now.
Oh, bringing my boyfriend. I want her to meet him.
Yes, I'm finally getting fitted. That doesn't mean I want to talk about where Uncle Jackson.
You know what? I know this is more than you were planning on.
I want to sit next to John.
This is decadent. But this is not what you planned on.
You have to have this.
I love you.
Oh, I love you too. Bye. Oh, this is so beautiful.
Oh, now those shoes. Those shoes are fabulous.
Beautiful. The lace. How much do those cost?
Well, these right here, these are a little bit more expensive.
They'll totally make the dress.
Worth it. They're totally worth it.
And how much are the caterers costing again?
What about the band?
The band and the
deposit for the band.
How much are they? And the photographer, you need a photographer. Who does one?
I can't breathe. I gotta go.
No, and the DJ.
The DJ. That's right.
The dress.
All I've dreamed about is my wedding day, and now it feels like a nightmare. There's still so much to get done. I thought my wedding was supposed to be fun.
Lost in the wilderness of the sea. I lost all my tenderness. You gave to me. I gave her the pride.
Howdy. Are you here to get married? Do you have an appointment?
Yes. No. What is this place?
Well, welcome to Shotgun Ceremonies, ma'am. If your wedding's got you all stressed out, we're the Shotgun Gals. We'll help you out. Your wedding shouldn't make you pout. So, having fun is what it's all about.
You can say anything more. This is what I'm looking for.
We'll marry you in motion. We'll marry you in front of a historic mural. If you hurry up, we'll marry you under the viaduct. We'll marry you on the corner of Good and Sweet. We'll marry you by Chief Seattle. We'll marry you under a dragon. We'll marry you on a rooftop. We'll marry you by a tree sock. We'll marry you at a totem pole. We'll marry you with a dramatic backdrop. We'll marry you under the China Gate. We'll marry you at sunset. We'll marry you in Chinatown. We'll marry you on the steps of City Hall. We'll marry you at a graffiti wall. We'll marry you by a waterfall. We'll marry you at a pool hall. Your love is unique to you, so your wedding day should be too.
Perfect. Now what do you need for this? I've already been granted my wish.
So, what may you wear?
We'll marry you on the rooftop. We'll marry you on the... What did Grindle say? Go. Okay.
It's rolling all the time. I'm not gonna miss any of this.
Okay, ready?
We'll marry you on a rooftop.
We'll marry you on the rooftop.
And then you should do it individually. Like, maybe I should just get you, like, alright.
We'll marry you on a rooftop.
Okay, now I'll move over a little bit that way.
We'll marry you on the rooftop.
Alright, that's solid. Maybe on the edge, let's go up and get some alley shot here a little bit. I'll document it right up to the edge. So then we accent verticality with that building's dramatic. Let's back all the way up into that corner. And then Sarah, come up a little bit for the light, and then you turn a little bit more towards the light. All right, awesome. All right, now so just give it, we'll marry on a rooftop together.
Marry you on a rooftop. Yeah, but we can nice rain landing.
Ready?
Okay.
Go.
We'll marry you out of Seattle. There you go.
We don't even know what we're on.
Okay. Your wedding is unique to you. I love. Are you here to get married? Do you have an appointment?
Yes. No. What is this place?
Welcome to Shotgun Ceremonies, ma'am. Oh yeah, open it. Howdy. Are you here to get married?
Do you have an appointment?
Yes. No. What is this place?
Well, welcome to Shotgun Ceremonies, ma'am.
If your wedding's got y'all stressed out,
Us shotgun girls will help you out.
your marriage shouldn't make you pout.
Can't remember.
Having fun.
We'll marry you near a totem pole.
We'll marry you at a pool hall.
We'll marry you on the bus. We'll marry you by a dragon. Ready? We'll marry you in Chinatown. We'll marry you in Chinatown.
Give me a Chinatown. Go.